Sometimes I look into your eyes. There are things I can't deny, that you look beautiful. You look wonderful.
I can't promise to be perfect, but I will strive hard to be me. Make you happy every single day, in my own special way. Promise to love you day by day.
I said you are beautiful. I now believe my life is full. I can say I live when I'm with you. My heart beats faster when you're around. Always running out of time. I will hold your hand and watch the stars.
4 years to forever. Through ups and downs, win or lose. So, kung ano mang down, we will up. All of the lose, we will win.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Judy Ann na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Father.
Judy Ann, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Rodrigo na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, sumasang-ayon ako.
I can say I live when I'm with you. My heart beats faster when you're around. Always running out of time. I will hold your hand and watch the stars across the night sky.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, kung ano ang makakaya, ibibigay kung ano makakaya. Sana kasama ka pa rin. Kung ano mapapanood man natin ito after 10 years, sana tayo pa rin. Kung ilang decade man, kung ano mangyari. I love you.
Dapat ang iyong pamilya, iyong pagsasamahan ay banal. Ang sentro dapat ng pamilya ninyo ay walang iba kundi ang Diyos. Kasi kung bakit kayo nagmamahalan, dahil sa Kanya, regalo yan ng Diyos kasi ang pag-ibig na yan. A marriage is a gift from God.
Faces come out of the rain, lowering the sea. I know we can hold on, make it overfly. It's the second round through a long defile. Here we are, we're fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back.
At ngayon, ating ipinagdiriwang ang misa ng pag-iisang dibdib ni Rodrigo at ni Judy Ann. So, moment po ninyo ito.
Isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng ating pag-ibig at katapatan Sa ngalan ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Beb, suot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda, bilang ng pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Dear brothers and sisters, let us give the newly married couple a big round of applause.